In this video, you will learn how to import data from PDF. So I have saved a one data file here in of PDF. So I need to open this file first from Google Chrome or any other web browser, and you need to copy this path, and thereafter you need to close this PDF. Directly go into the Excel file which where you want to import and select the data menu. Click on from that web option, and then we will see one pop-up coming here. So you need to paste here URL which you have copied. Now okay. So thereafter you will see all the pages coming from PDF. So if you want to preview this, you can preview, or otherwise you can select the multiple page as per your convenience and click on the transform data. So thereafter you can see this window will open in Power Query Editor. So thereafter you can see these two tabs inserted here. Now you need to close and load. So you will see data will upload here. So see, this two page is created from the PDF. So one page from the first one and second from the second table. So I'll show you whether this is corrected or not. So now you can see first page is started with 23871. So you can see 23871 is the first one and last one is 7436. So now you can see last one is 7436 and second page start with 15237. So you can see 15237 and last is 83052. So 83052. So I hope you like this video. So I would request please use this tool so that you can easiest your work. So, and thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel so that you will touch with this Excel Excellent channel and get update of every video. Thank you so much.